Where you going, Minky? Minky, where you going? Minky man, where you going? You handsome? You handsome boy? Where my Minky man? Belle, what are you doing, Bells? Bells, 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 Bells. Belle. Hey, Belle. Minky. We're going. We're going. Belle, bring that over here. Bring your bony. Bells. Belle. She listens so well. Half the time I think she's deaf. Oh, now you hear me, Bells. Oh, what doing? Where's Minky? Minky man! Here comes. Here he comes. Here comes. Hey, Mink. What do you want, Bells? You want come-ups? She wants to come-ups. You want me to get you. Turn around. Turn around. Here you go. Where you gonna go? Miss Bridget doing her thing. Bridget's a mess. She got her face wash. There's the Minky man. Belle, what are you gonna do? Jumps? Get down and go play. Go play. Go play somewhere. Here, Minky. It's the Minky man. Once there was a Minky man all the way from Japan. Is she gonna bother him? There he is. Hey, Minky. There he is. She beating him ups. Yeah. She beating him ups. Oh no. She could kick his ass now. Look at her kick his ass. Look at her kicking his ass. Oh, poor Minky. Poor Minky man. What happened to that tiny little puppy? She's all grown up. She's 6 months old now. She's bigger than Minky. She's kicking his ass. I think he liked it better when she was tiny. Get her, Minky. Get her. Miguel. Get her. Ow, 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 ow.